1 minute skate park guide, Dunalley, Tasmania. This skate park is just a little skate park in the corner of Dunalley, a little town near Marion Bay, and it's a very new skate park. It was built after the bushfires, and yeah, they've done quite a good job. It's got nice smooth concrete. It's got a good flow to it. It goes round a circle, and you can have a lot of fun. Good for beginners, good for intermediate, and good for advanced, because you can get technical tricks here. They've got a rainbow rail, they've got a big square rail at the top, which is a bit scary, a nice big bank at the far end to get a run up, and a few other obstacles scattered around, like a really steep little box ledge thing, and a hexagon in the middle. And yeah, you can have lots of fun here. So I give this skate park 2.5 cascades out of the 6-pack.